Yo, yo. Hey, damn, I thought I had something on the side of my lip. Hey, like, comment, share, subscribe, download. It's Rizzo Lou, back with another video. Follow me on Twitch, Rizzo Luciano 313. We got another mukbang, candy review, snack review, whatever you want to call it. Boom, Welch's. Another Welch's, man. But what flavor do we have here this time? Cherries. Nope. Berries and cherries. You feel me? Packaging. It look good. It kind of look a little healthy or whatnot. Knowing it ain't. You feel me? Nutritious facts. About 2 servings per container. One, for real. Serving size, it's a 15